Okay, welcome back. Right now we're going to try to build out the benefits section. So inside our webflow file, we have the main wrapper, section home header, section logo, section why us. Okay, so moving on, main wrapper, what to do, you already know. Bring in a div block for section benefit, section underscore benefit. So this is the benefit section. Bring in another div block. We're gonna call this another div block. We're gonna call this one, we're gonna call it as you guessed, padding global. Padding global just adds padding here, 2.5. You know, inside of padding global, we're gonna bring in another div block, and we're gonna call this container large. This is for your own good, you know. This is really good. It's good practice, you know. It's the core foundation. Inside of container large, you're gonna bring in another div block, and we're gonna call this one now. What are we gonna call this? Okay, we have our spacing here, so we're gonna just call this one. Let's say, let's see the amount of space that we have here. Okay, we have a reasonable amount. That's a very not too much space from here to here. So we're gonna go that after container large, we're just gonna dive straight right into it. We're gonna say benefits wrapper. Okay, so this benefit wrapper is gonna wrap everything inside of this benefit section. All right, now we have benefit wrapper. Then we're gonna create another div block that's going to have the benefit text or the benefit content, which is this text content, and the benefit image. All right, so let's do that. So another div block here, and we're going to call this one benefit. You see how I am naming my div block to suit every section. All right, so by doing this, you're not going to have issues. You know, you don't have to think too much. If you get familiar with Client First, you won't have to think too much with what you're going to name your div block and all of that. So benefit, let's say benefit text content. Let's say text content. So you will know that, oh, this is for the text. Benefit text content. Now, knowing that this one is going to just be for this whole text content here with this button here. Now, before that, you also notice that we're going to make this our benefit wrapper a grid. So we have the left grid and the right grid. That's a 2-column grid. All right, so benefit wrapper, click on the grid and just 2-column, 1 row. So you delete. Good. So you see we have left and right. So in the left hand side, that is where we have the benefit text content. You see how easy that is. Now inside the benefit text content, you want to put in another div block, again something that is going to house this heading. So we're going to call it benefit heading or benefit text heading. We're going to say benefit, yeah, let's do that. Benefit benefit text heading. All right, and we're going to throw in a heading inside. Heading maybe a H4, maybe H3. Yeah, H3. Let's assume it's H3. All right, this is like 32 pixels. Copy. I've copied it. So yeah, it's definitely a H3. Pasted it here. So we have 2 rem. That's like 32. Okay. We have the benefit text heading. So this, you know that this div block is only meant for just this heading. You won't put anything inside again. That is all. Now let's, how do we get this one, this text, this paragraph? So we're going to bring in another div block that is going to house this paragraph and this small circle here. So inside of your benefit text content, you're going to bring in a div block, right? And you're going to call this benefit text benefit text okay, sorry, benefit text. We have benefit text content, benefit text heading, benefit text item. All right, let's just say benefit text item. All right, benefit text item, and inside of it we're going to throw in should we use a list? Yeah, we can say this is a list. All right, these two are just lists. We can do that. Should we use a list? I don't know. Nah, let's not use a list. Let's just use paragraph. So we have the first paragraph. Let's go and copy that. Copy the first paragraph and throw it inside here. I've done that. And inside the benefit text item, again, we are going to bring in a div block again. This one will serve as our circle. Just call it black circle, since it may be reusable. So black circle. And this small circle here is how big is it? This is 14 width and height, 14 pixel each. So let's just give it 1 rem width and 1 rem height. So it's like a small square. Let's see what we're doing here. Change the color here to black. So you see we have the black square. How do you make it a circle? You give it a radius of 100%. And that's it. It's a circle. Now the benefit text item, you're just going to make it flex box and align to the top, or align center, basically. I think that's it. So we want to take this black circle to the top here, the first thing you see. Then you want to also maybe give it a gap of 1 rem, so it has a space. This our black circle is not entirely a square. I wonder why that is. It's not entirely a circle, or is it? Or is my eyes paining me? Okay. All right. Now it's a square. I just click on don't shrink or grow. Now it's a square. Okay. Good. So you see, I give it a space of 1 rem. That's the benefits text item. Made it flex box horizontal. This one and this. So that is 1. And I'll just have to like duplicate this into 2 places. Now the benefit text heading or the benefit text content, I will just have to, because notice that it's quite spacious. There's a space here and here too. So give the benefit text content, make it display vertical and align from the start, maybe 1 rem of space. Good. So we have space here and space here. Maybe 1 rem is too small. 1.5 rem. All right. So something like this is not bad. So this is what we have for now. And yeah, this is what we have on the design. So this our paragraph here. This our text content is 24. 24 font size is 24, which is ours is too small. So we're just going to click on the paragraph here and call the class that is going to style it for us. Text size medium. Give it a 1.25. That's maybe equivalent of 24, I guess. This second one to do the same for it. Text size medium. Yep, I think we're done with that. I don't want to make it a custom class, just say text size medium. It just solves the problem for us. Now we want to make this circle start from the top here and not in the middle of the text. So from the benefit text item, you're just going to say align from the start. Boom. That's all. All right. So we have that from the top. Now it doesn't make sense. All right. Let's just leave it at the middle. Okay. Maybe the font, maybe the black circle is too big. Let's reduce the size, the width and the height. All right. Good. Okay. This makes sense now. Moving on. We are done with okay, we have to create this button here that says learn more. So that is very simple to create. Inside the benefits text content, which is the parent of this 3 item 1 2 3, just going to throw in a button. And we're just going to call this one here, let's just call it black button. I'm going to call it black button. So it has the curved edges of 24 corner radius. Learn more. So black button, that's the class I give it. So we're going to change the color from this to black and the corner radius to 24 here. That's basically, let's just say 1.5 3 rem, that's 24. And yeah, and we're gonna give it font weight of medium, and we're gonna say learn more. Okay, I think that's all about that. And if you notice, the button here has a width of 50, has a height of 54. 54 height. It's nothing. We can just maybe try to make our button more making sense. Maybe 7 here and a 7 here, and maybe let's just do 1.2 rem. 1.2 rem here and 1.2 rem here, and this 7 will just replace 0.5 rem, 0.5 rem and 0.5 rem. All right, that's it. So we have that built out. The button is done and the learn more is there. Now let's focus on the right hand side. This just an image and this this design here. So how we're going to do that? So we have the benefit wrapper, which is a grid. Inside of it we have the benefit text content. So on the benefit wrapper we're going to bring in another div block, and we'll call this benefit text. Sorry, benefits. We have benefit text content, benefit image, the benefits image. All right, the benefit image on the right hand side. So we're going to bring in our image now. We're going to bring in our image. We have the image here. I think I have it here somewhere. Yep. So that's just it. Basically, there's nothing else to do. Maybe the image is too big. Let me check. Yep, I think the image is too big. Ours is too big. Just click on this small node here and drag, make it fit maybe 500 or thereabout. Yeah, let's make it like 500. Now it's too small. Good. So this works. So this is perfect. So the design is designing, whatever that means. Okay, I think this will have to stop here, and that's just it. Basically, we're done with this section. We're just gonna try, importing this design here is very easy. So in the next video we're going to move on to this download section where you get to download the app. Right, see you guys in the next section.